Rose, you're crazy. Jack, that's what everybody says, but, with all due respect, miss, I'm not the one hanging off the back of a ship here. Come on. Come on, give me your hand. You don't want to do this. Hate is a disease, and in 1930 I became sick with hatred. It's important for me to have hope because that's my job as a parent, to have hope for my kids, that we're not going to leave them in a world that's in shambles. That's a chaotic place. That's a dangerous place. Rose, you're trembling. Jack, I'll be all right. Inspiration can hit you in the head at any time in any context. It could happen in a conversation. Talking to someone at a party, you can get an idea. But you've got to remember those inspirations. It's not a requirement to eat animals, we just choose to do it. So it becomes a moral choice and one that is having a huge impact on the planet, using up resources and destroying the biosphere. The new world will be a place of answers and no questions, because the only questions left will be answered by computers, because only computers will know what to ask. Usually, when you go to a movie, your consciousness floats above the film. 3D sucks you in and makes it a visceral experience. You have to not listen to the naysayers because there will be many and often they'll be much more qualified than you and cause you to sort of doubt yourself. NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Where else but in Texas would men set up to administer space? We have a great responsibility. Whatever we make will become the truth, the visual reality that a generation will accept. Muslims shared many of the deep-seated characteristics of the Anglo-Saxon elite: an intuitive resentment of culture, an amicable contempt for women, a proclivity for riding about on horses, a pleasure in discipline, and a covert homophilia. The quickest way to destroy ocean science is to take human explorers out of the water. You don't rest well as long as you're seeking vengeance. I feel sad justice wasn't done. But it's time to move on and sleep well.